Hello, this repair is for Allstate for claim number 079449609. This is for Vitaliy. We got our shingle that we are going to use for the repair. This is our closest available match for this old discontinued shingle. As you can see right here, I marked out which shingle we're going to take out for the sample or for the repair. Right here, as you can see, this is an architectural shingle. I'm gonna have to go up 2 layers, potentially damaging this shingle and this one. I'm gonna try to be as careful as possible, just because this shingle is a little bit old and brittle right now. Okay. Okay, so we got our initial shingle lifted up. As you can see, there is some seal transfer on the shingle already. You can feel it on the top as well. We do have to get this shingle above it to get the nails underneath. Like I said, I'm going to try to be careful with not damaging the surrounding shingles. Definitely feel a lot of seal transfer. Okay, we got our first one up. So we will be able to get this first layer of nails. Right here. The second one right here. This side. Okay, so we got our first layer of nails up. We need to get this top row now. Try hard not to lift the shingle past 40 degrees. Get these nails up.
be the last shingle we need to get up. Again, I'm trying to be as gentle as possible, but the seal transfer is giving me some pushback. Okay.
As you can see, we already caused some creasing right there.
Got 2 rows.
Trying hard not to raise it past 40 degrees again per manufacturer instructions.
I know most of these nails are already rotted out just because of the age and the deterioration and just the wind getting up underneath and knocking it around. Okay. One more. Okay. As you can see, we got the existing shingle used for the repair. See the back. And this is going to be a replacement. Like I said, this is our closest available match for the shingle. Now to get the nail back in, so we can slide this underneath. As you can see, obviously it's not a compatible match because they don't make this shingle anymore. Our exposure is really off. It's about, let's see. Exposure is about a 6-inch. The existing shingle is a 5-inch. I mean, that's a whole inch off. We're gonna go ahead and repair anyway, since you guys are requesting a repair. As you can see though, in the process of trying to take out the nails just to replace with the newer shingle, we have caused some creasing right here. So this is damage. We got some other lines right here as well, just from lifting up the shingle. Again, trying not to go past the 40-degree line. We're gonna nail these back in now. Let me pass those.
I got these, so.
Like caps. Okay, this one. Again, not trying to go past 40 degrees. Again, we're not going to go past 40 degrees, but I do need to get a nail underneath to nail in. Trying my best not to damage the surrounding shingles. You can see the exposure way off. I'm going to use 4 nails since it is not a compatible shingle. Trying to disrupt the surrounding shingles, but it is hard just with the shingle that we're using.
Okay.
More.
Okay, so as you can see, we got the shingle replaced. In the process of doing so, we have noticed
We have caused some extra damage, like I said. This shingle,
has failed to repair essentially.
you can see the other granular loss right here just from lifting the shingle. We got some traces over here as well, and some over here. We're gonna send this back to you guys to let you guys know, and we'll go from there.